You don't need animation skills to start a YouTube channel. In fact, some of the simplest Stickman videos are making more money than highly edited ones. Yeah, just lines and circles. Let's watch this first.
You sit down to start, but nothing happens. Too many ideas, too many thoughts. Everything feels important. So you check your phone, just for a second. Then suddenly, time is gone. Now you feel overwhelmed and even more stuck. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. You're just overthinking everything. Start with one small, simple step, and suddenly it feels easier. Action beats overthinking every single time.
No fancy software, no drawing talent, just simple animations getting thousands, even millions of views.
Right now, there are channels uploading basic Stickman videos, and they're getting monetized in just a few months. Look at this. It has 17K followers with just 17 videos. So if you've ever thought, I can't animate, or I don't have the skills to start YouTube, this video is going to completely change your mind. Leave a like and subscribe if you find it helpful, because today, I'm going to show you step by step how to create your own Stickman animation videos from scratch. And make sure you watch till the end, because I'll also show you how to make your animations fast using automation tools. Let's get started. As you can see, I've already prepared a complete set of detailed prompts. You can find the full prompt PDF in the description below. All you need to do is copy the entire prompt, open ChatGPT, paste it in, and let it do the magic. Within a few seconds, you'll have your image prompts, video prompts, audio script, story, and characters, everything ready to use. Now let's generate the images for our video. For this, we'll use Gemini, since it's one of the best tools available. Click on Create Image, then go back to ChatGPT, copy the character prompt first, and paste it into Gemini. Within seconds, your character will be ready. Next, let's generate the scenes. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the first scene prompt, paste it into Gemini, and boom, your first scene is ready. Repeat the same process for the second scene. Copy the prompt, paste it into Gemini, and your second scene will be generated. Continue this process until all your scenes are complete. Once done, download all your images. Now it's time to create the visual clips. For this, we'll use Meta AI because it's free and unlimited. And make sure you watch till the end. I'll also show you a faster method. Open Meta AI, then click on the Create option on the left side. A new interface will appear. From the bottom bar, click on the plus icon and upload your first image. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the Scene 1 visual prompt from Part 2, and paste it into Meta AI. Within a minute, your video clip will be ready. Now repeat the same steps for the second scene. Upload the image, copy the prompt, paste it, and your second video will be ready. Keep doing this until all your scenes are turned into video clips. If you feel this process is too long, don't worry. You can speed things up using a Chrome extension called Auto Meta. You can download it from the Chrome Web Store. With this tool, you just upload all your images, paste all the prompts at once, click Start, and let it handle everything. It will automatically generate all the visuals and save them to your computer. Now that all your visuals are ready, let's generate the audio. For this, we'll use Google AI Studio's speech generator. Click on Single Speaker, choose your preferred voice. I'll go with Karen. Then go back to ChatGPT, copy the voiceover script, and paste it into Google AI Studio. Remove any extra text and keep only the dialogue. You can do this manually like I'm doing, or simply ask ChatGPT to clean it up for you. Once done, click Run. When your voiceover is ready,
You see one message, and suddenly your
click the three dots and download the file. Now it's time to bring everything together using any editing software. I'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut, import all your video clips and the voiceover audio, arrange the clips in order from Scene 1 to Scene 10, then add the audio track. Make small adjustments to sync the audio with the visuals. If you like, you can add transitions for a smoother viewing experience. And that's it. Just export your video, and you're good to go. So now, as you just watched, a complete long-form video, consistent character, clean story flow. If this changed the way you think about AI video creation, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe. And check out my previous videos for more AI-related doubts and tutorials. This is just the beginning. Doctor meets AI, and we're building the future. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.